Aloha everybody. Hi, my name is Jill and this is my very first YouTube video. And I just want to share a little bit about myself before we get started. I am a Disney addict since about 2008, but I've always loved Disney. And I even worked for Disney. I was a cast member in China with a program called Disney English, which I loved. It was teaching English to kids in China. And it was amazing, so much fun, the funnest teaching job I've ever had. I mean, starting your classroom out with a clip from Cars is just amazing. Kids are engaged right off the bat. You never have behavior problems because they're all sitting at the screen going. As of June, Disney English no longer exists though in China. They cut it, I think, because of COVID. So that actually makes me very sad, but I understand why parents don't really want to send their kids to school right now. It makes total sense to me. So anyway, if they ever bring it back, Disney English is the best. I mean, it's just so much fun. It's just a fun teaching job. If you like teaching English, they bring it back. The curriculum is fun. Anyway, so I have been a Disney addict for quite some time. I've had annual passes to both Walt Disney World, also to Disneyland. Right now, since I live in Hawaii, I have an annual pass for Disneyland. And I also have been to Hong Kong Disneyland many times. Disneyland Paris, I had an annual pass for Disneyland Paris at one time in my life as well, so I've been there many times. I just haven't been to Shanghai yet. I happen to have left China like 3 months before they opened Shanghai. And I haven't been to Tokyo, so I need to do those. Anyway, I thought today I'm planning to go on a Disneyland trip in November, if all things are good to go. So I have started purchasing some items from Shop Disney for my trip. And I've enjoyed watching so many unboxing videos and so many shop haul videos during quarantine and being at home, stay-at-home orders, that y'all have inspired me. All right, I feel inspired to go ahead and make my first video. So today I'm going to do a Shop Disney unboxing for a Loungefly backpack that I bought, the Disney Parks mini backpack. This is my very first Loungefly, which is actually shockingly amazing. But I never decided, you know, I wasn't going to spend the money on it. But now I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it, and I'm only 52 years old. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you the Loungefly backpack. I also have an unboxing of an LL Bean anorak jacket that I bought for this trip. In Hawaii, you know, our weather is pretty much 85 degrees all the time. The last time I went to Disneyland for my 50th birthday, I froze. So I'm buying a new jacket. And I hope it'll work for me and I won't be freezing. Also, I have some leggings and a Spirit jersey, my very first Spirit jersey, also to show you, and a couple of hats. So I hope you enjoy. So first off, I'm going to show you the things that I purchased from Shop Disney for my trip. So one of the things in Hawaii, we need hats all the time. I don't go outside without my hat just about ever. So I bought a couple of hats to use here in Hawaii and to also take on my trip. But the Mulan hat here is one of them. And also I bought the Mouseketeer hat from Shop Disney. And this is, y'all, my very first Spirit jersey, and I'm so excited. But of course I live in Hawaii where it's hot, and I will never wear this on a normal day, although I can dream. The Pixar. And you know, I did not know what size to buy. I was wondering, what size should I get? And everyone was saying, you know, a large is just fine. I bought the extra large. It is a little bit big, but I think I'm going to be okay with it because I want it long to cover my leggings. But next time I think I'll buy a large. Yeah. But I love this so much. All right. So this is the next item I bought. These are the Mickey and Friends leggings for Disneyland. And I bought leggings, you know, because I was freezing that last trip that I went on. And so I bought these leggings. I don't know if you can see them. I love all the characters and all the attractions. So these are my Disneyland leggings. Hopefully I'll get some for Walt Disney World as well. And they're super soft, y'all. They are super soft. And you know, if I wasn't in Hawaii, I'd wear them every day anyway because they're just comfy. But you know, it's just hot here. All right, now I'm gonna show you this jacket that I bought from LL Bean. The reason I bought this is because I've had an LL Bean anorak for 25 or 30, probably 30 years, since I was in college. And I loved the thing, and I have been wearing it every year. I mean, I wear it all the time. But I went to help a friend herd sheep last week, and I snagged it on some barbed wire. And I got a hole in it for the first time, like 30 years. So I decided, okay, I haven't bought one of those in 25 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get a new one. Oh, and I haven't seen this yet, so I'm so excited. And I think, oh yes, I think this is gonna go with my leggings. Happy day. I don't know if you can see it. And you know what I'm gonna do? I think this is gonna work great. I'm gonna just check the colors. Oh my gosh, I just think I found a match. Y'all look at those colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can wear these with this. It goes great. Oh, now that was a fluke, but a happy fluke. So these anoraks, these are great, y'all, because they are windproof, but they're still lightweight. So they're really good for parks. Like if you're riding roller coasters, they're awesome because you know, you can just go and it'll break that wind, and it's not a big, huge, heavy coat. And it has this pocket here. I don't know if I can show it to you. There's not, it's this pocket. It's big. And so even if you didn't want to take like a purse or anything into the parks, you could put your cell phone, you could put your cards, you could put your wallet, you could put all that in here. Glasses, I put all that in here. And it zips up so it's secure. Also, I think, yeah, at least my old one did, if you turn the pocket inside out, you can stuff all your jacket into it, and it makes a nice little convenient square little thing you can put in your bag. Oh, this is awesome. Y'all, I can't believe it. It actually, oh my gosh, it goes with my leggings. So let me hold it up together. Isn't that awesome? And that was just a fluke. Oh, thank you, Lord. Okay. All right, so for my next one, this is the biggie. My very first Loungefly. I'm so excited, y'all. You can tell I'm from Texas originally, can't you? I keep saying y'all. Oh, open other end. Okay, here's my Disney box. And you can see, and y'all, I'm sorry, I know this is my first video, so I don't really have it organized, you know, as far as your best angles. Got the Disney paper, which I love. Oh, it's everything. I thought it was just going to be one of my things, and it's everything in my order. Oh my gosh. Okay, so hang on a second. I'm going to show you the other. Okay, y'all, I got the Winnie the Pooh leggings from Shop Disney. Again, super soft, and I don't know if you can see the print. Isn't that cute? Winnie the Pooh. And you know, I actually got that because they didn't have any leggings that would go with the Pixar Spirit jersey, but I got... Hi y'all, sorry about that. They started to do lawn work right outside my window, so it was way too loud. All right, so yes, I show you. These are the Winnie the Pooh leggings that I got. I got these from Shop Disney, and they are super soft, just like the others. And I actually got them. I know that these are not the leggings that match the Spirit jersey, but I got those to go together because it was the only thing I could find that would work, at least sort of work. All right, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, these are the leggings. Also, my very first pair of ears. These are the coral ears, and honestly, looking at these in person, they look different than I imagined. They're kind of almost hot pink and coral. I like them though. Let's see. Oh my gosh, my very first ears. Of course, that's not in the right place. Oh my gosh. And they're so lightweight, you know, from someone who's never had ears before. They're really lightweight. They don't feel heavy at all. Huh. Oh boy, guys, I'm gonna have to just get used to ears. Oh, this is exciting. All right, for the grand finale though, y'all, my very first Loungefly bag, very first. Oh my gosh, it's just the perfect size. It looks like there are 2 pockets, one on either side. And I wonder if my phone, well, I'm using my phone, so I guess I can't. I think my phone will fit in there pretty far down if I wanted to do that. Put it on the outside, I don't know. It has a zipper pocket on the outside here on the front. And the inside is just a nice big compartment. I don't see any like little zipper pockets in there. And it looks like the straps are adjustable. The zippers are nice quality. It's a nice quality bag. It's nicer than I was thinking. Wow, I look forward to seeing how this all goes together. I'm so ready. Oh, I hope I can go. I hope I can go. Well, y'all, there it is, my trip haul. We got the hats. I didn't show the other side of the hat. It says Mouseketeer, official Mouseketeer. Then we got the leggings, the Spirit jersey, and last but not least, and goes great together, the anorak. Now this isn't the insulated one. They have an insulated one, but this is the windbreaker anorak from LL Bean. Oh my goodness. Oh, and the ears. So that's it, y'all. I mean, that's my haul. Thank you for, you know, enjoying that with me. I've really enjoyed watching all of your videos, and it's been really fun. It looks like they're starting the yard work again, so I better say goodbye. Aloha, everybody, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.